According to a J.D. Power 2024 study, 39% of electric vehicle owners replaced their tires at least once in the last 12 months, compared to just 20% of gasoline car owners. That is nearly double the replacement rate. A full set of Tesla tires runs $800 to over $1,000, depending on your model. If you are burning through them faster than you should, that cost adds up quickly. Here is exactly why it happens, and what you can do to stop it. The first reason is weight, and the numbers here are more significant than most owners realize. A Tesla Model Y weighs around 4,400 pounds. A comparable gas SUV like a Toyota RAV weighs around 3,600 pounds. That is an 800-pound difference sitting on 4 contact patches, roughly the size of your hand. EVs often weigh 15% to 25% more than comparable gas cars because of the battery pack. Every pound of that extra weight is pressing down on your tires every single mile you drive. The physics are straightforward. More weight means more friction between the tire and the road, which means faster tread wear. Multiple 2024 to 2025 studies show EV tires can wear about 20% faster than gas car tires on average. Weight is the baseline reason, and everything else on this list makes it worse. The second reason is instant torque, and this is the one that catches most new Tesla owners completely off guard. When you press the accelerator in a gas car, the engine has to build revolutions per minute. The transmission has to find the right gear, and by the time you are actually accelerating hard, the tires have already established grip on the road surface. The force is applied gradually. In a Tesla, full torque is available from 0 miles per hour with no delay and no buildup. The entire force of the motor hits the tire contact patch instantly. Electric vehicle tires are in the CrossFit Olympics every time you leave a stoplight. That repeated, sudden torque application is harder on tire compounds than the gradual force delivery of a gas engine. It shows up clearly in real-world tread wear data. Performance model owners feel this most acutely. Stories of tires wearing out in 15,000 to 25,000 miles are common in Tesla owner forums, especially for performance variants where the torque delivery is most aggressive. But even standard Model 3 and Model Y owners are affected because the instant torque characteristic applies to every Tesla regardless of trim level. The third reason is the tire compound Tesla fits from the factory, and this is something almost nobody explains clearly to new owners. Tesla's original equipment tires are engineered to balance 3 competing priorities: grip for safety and performance, low rolling resistance to protect range, and noise reduction, because an electric drivetrain is quiet enough that road noise becomes very noticeable. The compound that delivers the best grip and the lowest rolling resistance is not the same compound that delivers the longest tread life. A regular tire would experience 5% to 20% faster wear than an electric vehicle-specific tire when used on an electric vehicle. Tesla's original equipment tires lean toward grip and efficiency, rather than longevity, which means many owners are starting their ownership with tires that are already optimized away from maximum tread life. When those tires wear out, and owners replace them with generic all-season tires not designed for electric vehicle weight and torque, the situation often gets worse rather than better, because standard all-season compounds handle neither the weight nor the torque delivery, as well as electric vehicle-specific designs. The fourth reason is skipping or delaying tire rotation. And on a Tesla, this mistake is more expensive than it is on any gas car. Tesla recommends rotating tires every 6,250 miles, which is significantly more frequent than the 7,500 to 10,000 mile intervals most gas car owners are used to. The reason for the shorter interval comes back to instant torque. On a rear-wheel drive Tesla, the rear tires bear the full brunt of every acceleration event. They wear faster than the fronts. On an all-wheel drive Tesla, the fronts wear faster because of the combined demands of steering and torque. Without regular rotation, one axle is consistently doing more work than the other, and the tires on that axle wear down significantly faster than they should. More than 30% of EV owners who replaced their tires told Consumer Reports they replaced them sooner than expected, with more than half replacing at or before 30,000 miles. Uneven wear from skipped rotations is one of the clearest explanations for that early replacement data. A rotation costs $50 to $75 at most shops. Replacing a full set of tires 15,000 miles early because of uneven wear costs $800 to $1,000. The math is not complicated. The fifth reason is tire pressure neglect, and on a Tesla the consequences of low pressure are more significant than they are on a lighter gas car. Even 5 pounds per square inch low can reduce your range by 3 to 5%. That is the range cost most owners focus on. The wear cost gets less attention, but it is equally real. A tire running 5 to 8 pounds per square inch below its recommended pressure has a larger contact patch with the road surface. More rubber touching the road means faster wear. And on a vehicle weighing 4,400 pounds, that effect is amplified compared to the same pressure drop on a vehicle weighing 3,200 pounds. The heavier the vehicle, the more damage low pressure does to tread wear rate per mile. Tesla's recommended tire pressure varies by model and trim, but is typically in the 42 to 45 pounds per square inch range, higher than most gas cars, which means the drop from correct to low pressure represents a larger absolute change in contact patch geometry. Check your pressure monthly. It takes 3 minutes and a $15 gauge, and it is the cheapest tire preservation habit available to any Tesla owner. So, how do you actually stop it? 4 habits make the biggest difference. Rotate every 6,250 miles without exception. Set a reminder in your phone tied to your odometer and treat it as non-negotiable. Check tire pressure monthly and after any significant temperature change. Pressure drops roughly 1 pound per square inch for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit drop in temperature. When it is time to replace your tires, choose a compound specifically engineered for electric vehicles from the brands covered in the tire video on this channel. Do not pick a generic all-season tire that was not engineered for their weight and torque. And if you drive a performance model, using chill mode for daily driving rather than sport or standard significantly reduces the torque spike at every acceleration event. This is the single most direct way to extend tire life on a high-performance Tesla, without changing anything about how you maintain the car. Tire wear is the highest recurring cost most Tesla owners face outside of energy. Treating it as something that just happens, rather than something you can actively manage, is the difference between replacing tires every 25,000 miles and every 40,000 miles. On a car where a full set costs over $1,000, that difference adds up to thousands of dollars over the life of the vehicle. If your tires are wearing faster than you expected, drop your model, mileage, and which tires you are running in the comments. And if you want to keep getting practical advice like this, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next one.